Pancakes are an excellent breakfast option, but corn potato pancakes can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Today on Glutensure, we are making these eggless, gluten-free corn potato pancakes together. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. For making our corn and potato pancakes, we just need a handful of ingredients. Please make sure to check out the recipe link in the description box below for all the measurements. Okay, so once we gather our ingredients, we start off first by washing and peeling our potato. You could also use boiled potatoes if you're looking for a smoother texture in your pancake, but I like the bite that raw potato brings, and so I'm using a raw potato instead. Alright, so just with the help of a box grater, I am grating the potato. Now into the same mixing bowl, I'm just using the box grater to grate the corn. You could also use a food processor to just pulse corn kernels, or if you're using frozen corn, then you can just grind them in the food processor. So now I'm done with grating the corn as well, and now I'm ready to add the herbs and the spices into the same mixing bowl. I'm adding here chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, and also in the spices, I'm using garlic powder, garam masala powder. You could also use any other spice mix of your choice. And then a little bit of salt to taste, also baking soda. Baking soda is completely optional. I find that it gives a little bit of rise to the pancakes. I'm also adding mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your liking. Just with the help of the spoon, I'm giving all of the batter a nice mix. And now I'm adding chickpea flour. Chickpea flour brings together the batter nicely. And I'm also using rice flour. Just 2 tablespoons of rice flour. You can use any other gluten-free flour or quinoa flour. And then I'm adding a little bit of water to bring my batter to a nice spreading consistency. I've placed a pan on medium heat. Just going to prep my pan by adding a little bit of oil. I'm just using a spoon to spread about a tablespoon of the batter onto the pan. I'm going to cover the pancake with a lid so that it gets cooked uniformly. And after about 2 minutes, I see that the top has little bubbles coming in, which shows me that the bottom is cooked. And now with the help of a spatula, I'm going to flip it over. I'll continue making the rest of my pancakes. These pancakes are absolutely delicious and make a beautiful weeknight meal or a brunch option. I'm pairing my pancakes with ketchup, some chopped cucumbers, and also with a dollop of Greek yogurt. Let me know how you enjoyed your corn and potato pancakes. I can't wait to hear how your recipe turned out. We just made corn potato pancakes together, and just how easily and quickly it's come together. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and please like and share this recipe. Thank you for watching.